Hello YouTube, hello Facebook. Some of you on Facebook might see this video. So this video right here I want to make is on WordPress, how to start a WordPress website for free. And I didn't know how much WordPress was advanced until I started learning more about this. So yeah, let's get to it. This website is actually for a potential client. So it's not going to be all filled up with all the content yet. I'm waiting for that to arrive. So let's get to it real quick. So go down here. I want to get rid of this. And you could either go to Google. Everybody knows Google. And you could type up WordPress and it should bring up WordPress. Pick one of these down here. It might try to toss you another provider, but I just go to wordpress.com and then we're going to get started. Click get started. And then we're going to go with this email. We're going to pick a username. Just go for it. We're going to pick a password. Create an account. Okay, says that's already taken. There we go. Wow, all these names are taken. You believe it? Can't use LSX, that one. See if that's taken. Nope, that's available, so it's going to save it. Type in your domain. So see if we got anything for Lenny, Shop Lenny. We're going to do a free website, so for this example, we're going to do Shop Lenny. And let's see. Hosting. Going to be for free, so wait a minute, I do something wrong. For some reason, it's not letting it go forward. Let's see what. Okay, we're going to go with this one. See what. Okay, start your free website. Sorry about that. Took a second. But it's been a while since I actually used WordPress. I need to do some updates on my own website. So here we go. This right here is your admin. In case you're wondering, this is your admin, and is what it does after you fill that up. It goes right here. You got to activate. So you go down here, confirm it. I don't want to use that. Now that it's confirmed, go ahead and get rid of this one and get rid of this one. So here it is right here. You got a free plan. Your site has been created. So it will give you let me show you real quick. The pages it's going to give you. It's going to come with these 4 pages right here. So is what I want to do. I want to take out the contact page. I'm going to create my own. So, and the about page. I'm going to have the home and the blog. And then we're not posting that yet. We're not going to none of that yet. So Then you can add your own new pages. It has an editor, so you can pick out your layout on what you want your. So it's going to be a blog page. We're going to make this one a contact page. So when people contact us, you can put that in there. You're going to want people's names and people's email addresses, and you could also edit your own. Let's see, use contact layout. Now this is going to allow you right here to, hi, thank you for checking out my site. Contact me at, and then you put your email right here. Let's see. And then you could highlight it, put that in there. So they could click there and just send you an email directly to you to let you know whatever you went in here. You could also fill in these. I'll get to these later. And then you hit publish. Publish. So now you're going to have your contact page basically ready. So we're going to go to we're going to edit this home page. Let's pick a theme real quick. That's the cool thing, because you could kind of pick out, and the thing is, it's going to bring up, when you want to visit your site, it's going to bring up another browser right here. So let me show you that real quick. I'm going to get a good looking theme. All these are free. Comes with your free site. And if you want more, of course you're going to have to go down here and get a premium business plan. But you're just starting out or whatever. We're going to check this one out. I'm going to give you a live demo real quick to see what it looks like. See if it's going to be something that you're interested in. Nice picture. Want something welcoming. It's a nice picture. Looks pretty good. So depending on what business you're in, of course you're going to want, let's say you're in fitness, you're going to want this as a fitness page, and then you kind of get it from there. If you want, if it's going to be for entrepreneurship or something else, you're going to want to make your site match that. So, I want to activate this. I want to use that. Because to me, see, look, this is what it's going to look like. To me personally, it's easier. Once I got my theme, I can now go in there and start looking at stuff and getting more ideas on how I want it to look. Other than that, that's a good looking theme. That's great. So now that you got your site right here, how any changes you make, let's say I come back over here and I want to edit the home page. So we're making this the home page. Let's say I want to edit this, right? The client's business, it's over in one of those states where cannabis is legal. So we're going to do something about it kind of matches pretty good with the green right there. I mean, it looks nice. And then you kind of just edit it from there. Take you on your wildest dreams. You want it catchy. And of course, you're going to want that bigger. So See what it offers here. Well, we'll get back to that in a little bit. And then you come down here and you start filling stuff up. But we're going to get back to that in a little while. So we're going to update that. We're just kind of getting a feel for the basics here. And then we'll go in there and we'll start filling it out real good. So we got that ready. We got our home, our contact, and our blog. We'll do the blog last because the blog is something that is going to require some plugins. So I'll do that last. So let's go right here to the contact. I already put that in there. Put that in there. Okay, let's see what we got here. So whatever social media sites you have, if you have a, it's always good to have as many as you can. You could add your, if you have a YouTube channel, let's see if it offers YouTube. Let's see. Yeah, YouTube, boom. Just drops it right in. You want to get rid of WordPress, you want to get rid of that one. You remove it. And pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. You edit all this. Put your phone number right here. Get in touch. So your contact form is you know, of course, if they're interested in your product and service, they're going to want to contact you. However, on these other websites, you guys probably see me make them before. You already probably know is that let's say you're right here on the page right here, and of course they're scrolling, and right here you want to put like, let me see. Oops, let's go back over here because let's go back here on home. I learned that it's good to give away something. I mean, right here we're talking about cannabis. So, and of course, you're not making no promises. You're not making nothing about, you know, the medical whatever. You kind of got to keep it towards like, if you're going to give an ebook away, for example, right? Let's say you want to make this area right here an ebook. So let's see what we could do right here. This picture, replace. Okay, you know what? Let's just do a quick upload for this example. I have a few ebooks, of course, that I have, but I want to check out some of my pictures. So let's go to my desktop. So let's say I want to give away a book, right? Let's say for this example, where's that book at that I have? Okay, so just for this example, boom, I want to give this book away right here. I want to upload it. Okay, boom. Now this book is going to be available to whoever. Of course, this does not have nothing to do with the cannabis, but you would want this book to be something related to cannabis. And then you could click it. You could also drop a link in there and put it in there. So, but for this example, everything that I've got is, let's see right here. Since this is related to right there, for example, okay, now over here you're going to want to put a little bit about this strain on right here on, don't want to give them too much, but you could also put in here like you know, like click here for your free sheet, whatever, PDF. So you could do that, and then when they click, of course, you got something on the back end that will start gathering emails and names, so you could follow up with them later. And I actually learned that. And let's see right here, we can replace this picture. Well, that's a nice picture, but for this example, so you would drop something like that inside here, and you would keep it related to the product that you're selling. And let's keep that updated, because I'm gonna, after this video, I'm gonna come back here and get back in here and continue working. So let's go back over here. So that's your home page. So you're going to come back over here and um, check out your site. But this, let's see what happened here. Okay, you want your title of your site. So I haven't launched this site yet. So now that I updated all that, it's going to have kind of what's related in here. I'm still waiting on some content to add to what this is going to be for. But that's looking pretty good. I mean, considering it's a free site. You want to go back to your admin. You got your theme. You have your tools. You want to add your plugins here in a little while. Your marketing. Want to go to your settings to see. Right here's where you change the site title. Cannabis Streams. You always want to save your settings. Now I could always come back in here and change it later. You want to set your time zone. So wherever you're living at, come in here and put your time zone. Always save your settings though, so that it saves it. And then we don't have an icon yet, but let's say we want to change it, right? Or we want to add an icon. So we're going to select a logo. So there's no logo for this yet. So I would go here, then I would kind of have to shrink it down. So this picture right here, let's see what we can do with that. So kind of the logo. It's not really the logo, but it's I mean, it's bringing this site together, you know. So I'm still waiting on a lot of things, like I mentioned, but it's actually pretty fun being in here because I haven't been in here for a while. So let's see your menus, see your social. What do you want and what do you don't want? So me personally, I would take off social names. You can add items, primary content, footer, options. You could delete the menu. We don't want to do that. We want people to know that we're active here on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook. So I would like to get rid of WordPress, but let's see what if it'll even let me. Right here. Yeah, it did. Boom. So whatever you feel like you don't want to have, you just go click it, go to the very bottom, remove. You can add something else on there. I don't know why this did that, but let's get rid of that. Let's get back to what we're doing. And then widgets. Homepage settings. Your latest post. Post. Blog. So of course, you know, you're going to want to keep adding content to the business you're doing here because SEO is going to grab it. And I might show that on this video. I might not. So most likely want to see the latest post on here. This is all your new stuff you're adding to your website. So just for this example, I'm going to save it. I could come back and change it later. But just for this video, I want to Cannabis Dreams tagline. What's a good tagline for that? I don't even know. I'll come back to that later. So as you can see, this website's starting to come up. I mean, it's let's see what pages I have not done anything to. I haven't done anything to the blog. Contact is pretty simple. See what media it comes with. See, it comes with okay. Comes with a few pictures here. Of course, you got the ones I added, and then you have the ones that it does come with. You could always add new by coming over here and just start dropping media in there. So let's see if I could do this all at once here. Let's just do 3, for example. We could drop those in there. And now they're all there. So we go to comments. We'll see what we have here. Okay, we'll go back to site, design. Let's see what we could do to customize. Your site hasn't launched yet because I'm dismissing that. We could always change that image. Let's say we don't want that image and we want something that's more it's just something else. You could always change it. Introduce yourself or example post. It gives you all that. We have a theme already. We have tools. Let's see what the tools are. Let's see what we're going to do on plugins. Plugins are real important. So for something like this, you're going to want Yoast SEO. Or what's the other one that I actually use? I use Rank Math. So once you go into these, Just read it, go through. Don't let your competitors win. This is actually pretty good. Once you go into inside it, you oops, could also get more information right there on that. But for this one, you're going to have to I can't talk right. Upgrade to your business plan to update to get some of these plugins. You might want to connect a plugin which is free. We could do I don't want to upgrade. We just want to show for an example here. Let's see if it lets me search it. Um, MailChimp, of course. MailChimp is it's free, and you could gather a bunch of leads through there, and you could market through them through there. They're free up. That's still free up to 2,500 opt-in. So when people opt in, perfect. It's free. I mean, might as well use it. I didn't know this stuff when I first started, so yeah, it kind of messed with me a little bit. And you kind of just go in here and play around. You could change your footer credit, customizer. When I got my website, it I kind of what's it called? It took me a long time to actually build it, and I still got to go through it and do some tweaking. I might change the theme on there because I see these other themes that I like. So let's see what it looks like over here. Let's refresh everything. I'm going to dismiss that because we're not launching the site. This is just an example. Cannabis Dreams. Okay, they go here. They go to your blog. See what your blog has. Of course, you fill this up with your content that you want for your website, and it'll guide you through on with Yoast SEO will guide you to step by step on how to make your, or you can use rank math on how to make your content get grabbed by the search engines. So this is your site. Let's see. Let's go back. Cannabis Dreams, the best cannabis. Explore your offers. Okay, then kind of right here, how I refreshed it, all this came up. So let's go back here and let's go back to your site. Let's go to its pages. Let's go to the home page. Play with that a little bit. Make it look. So right here, you could always put give me access. And then you could link it to let's say for example another page where they get their ebook or whatever. And then you click that right there so it opens up. As soon as they get everything, it'll automatically, WordPress will make it open up right here in a whole different, so it doesn't kick you out from where you're at right here. It'll open up a new browser. So view and autosave. Let's see. Let's update that. Give me access. I don't want to edit this right now. You could always edit this, explore the world. Explore, let's see, depending on what you're promoting here, because I'm just playing around here, so I can't really. I'm more being more. I'm not being medical. I'm not being medical because I do not work in the medical field. I can't be saying that this will have a cure for anything, but I could, as a recreation, amazing for uh, watching movies. So that would be me right there, because I don't know. I don't want to. You do not want to put misguiding content, especially if you're not in the medical field, and that's something you do not want to do. That's a nice picture right there. Discover the ultimate, the unlimited. My bad. Discover the unlimited beauty of weed. Click here for your free PDF. So once again, I would go in there, highlight that, click that, put my PDF in there, and then I could take them to a something that looks like this. Let's see if I could bring it up real quick. Let's say I was to put like this one right here in there. Copy, paste. Oh, this is just copy, paste. And then I would hit that. So when I come back over here to Cannabis Dreams, refresh it. And then I want to go through it real quick just to check it out. Discover your... Hey, it didn't do it. Oh. Let's see. Oh, no. I didn't update it. Always remember to update. I was like, what's going on? And I just did something. Dang it. See, that would take them to a free book. That's just an example. Of course, you're going to want a free book on something on cannabis. So there's just so much stuff you could do when you're building these websites. And I know you see some other videos out there that, they kind of go into, they start it this way and they do it this way, then they do their theme last. I like to do my theme kind of at the beginning, because like I said, it just gives more of a... What happened? It gives more of a, just opens up the mind on what you can put on there. So let's see, pages, home, preview, close. See what happened. It kicked me out of the other browser, so I'm trying to figure out what it did. Okay, I'm going to visit site. You're going to want to go through here and change all this, of course, edit all that into your own site. If you want to update into a business, you could go right here. Then free domain, let's see what it offer. That's later if you want to upgrade to another. Let's see what if I potentially did something wrong here. Like I said, I haven't worked with WordPress for a while, but it's actually pretty fun. Now that I learned more that I knew, because I didn't know much when I first started. I just kind of learned from videos. So let's check out blog. Haven't messed with blog yet. And of course, on your blog, you want to make your you're gonna want to make the lettering at a good size. You got large, you got huge, all the way down to small. Color settings, background settings. Yeah, you don't want that. Clear it. You want clear. So text. Let's say you want text, right? You want black. And then of course you're gonna want to get that open, bold it, make it stand out. So right here you would add your content, of course. Whatever content you have, drop it in there. Then you will use your headers to make them bigger and do all that. And then over here you put all your tags and stuff. What is it related to? So whatever, if it's cannabis, weed blog, you would put those right here and here, and you would update. You could always add a new page. Schedule. You want to schedule pages yet? So page. See what's in your media. I think we went through that already. We put a bunch of stuff in there. Comments, design, customize. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Once you get in there, you kind of start opening all these ideas will pop into your head. Homepage settings, let's see. Okay. And then in this example, I can't really show the plugins because it's a free one. Upgrade to a business plan. So when you upgrade it, it'll let you start putting all those in there. So, and that's pretty high, $300 for upgraded to a business. So yeah, I do not know what to do in that one. So I just want to show you a quick free website. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe button. And if you're on Facebook, hey, just give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. Hope you learned something. Have a good day.